Hi everybody, how are you? I've spent all day with a really good friend of mine. I've known her for 41 years. I know it's almost 41 years. We met in high school and spent most of the afternoon with her celebrating her grandmother's birthday, who turned 96 years old. Can you believe it? That is wonderful. Anyhow, I wanted to go ahead and upload this video for you guys ASAP because I picked up some really beautiful items from Christian Louboutin, and I want to share with you because they are on sale right now. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Isabel, and if you like this video, I hope that you will consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started. So I picked up two items, and let me just kind of give you a visual. This one and this one, humongous boxes. And yeah, I picked them up yesterday. Actually, this video is going to be uploaded on Monday, so I picked it up on Saturday when I picked up my Louis Vuitton things. So here it is. Let's go ahead and look at these babies. I haven't opened them up at all. So here's the first item. Comes in the very nice Christian Louboutin bag. The interior is the red, all red. Okay. Here is my proof of purchase. And this is what it looks like. It has your receipt right in here. And then it says, love your red soles. Due to the delicate nature of our red soles, we ask that the shoes be tried on carpeted flooring. No kidding. If not, they may not be suitable for return. Thank you for your understanding. No problem. These are on sale, so they are final sale, so you can't return them anyway. All right. Here's the box. Let's go ahead and get going. Here's the inside. It came with a little dust bag where inside are the tips, extra tips for the heels. Let's see if you can actually see this. There you go. And there are two tips in here in the little dust bag, which is very cute. And then it came with only one dust bag, which I don't love. I like to have one for each shoe. I will go ahead and call and see if I can get another one. However, let's get going to the shoe part. Here we go. So we got the tissue paper to reveal these beautiful pumps. Let me just show you. Let me get everything out so that I can show you properly. Now, also, let me give you a little bit of insight. First of all, they're called the Iriza 100 Laminato Dino, okay, in gold. There they are right there, and I will leave the information down below. And this is what they look like. This is the front. Here's the side, and here's the other side. Here's the back. Now, the reason why I purchased these, I needed a pair of gold shoes, evening gold shoes, because I don't have any. And I have found that this style, which is the Iriza, which it's a pump. It's like your basic pump, but it has the opening here on this side. Basically, this to me is one of the most comfortable styles that he makes. I have found, I bought a pair of pink ones. You've seen them on my channel, and I really love them. I'm not going to say they're walking shoes, but I can go to a nice special occasion and I can wear them without an issue. If I tried those Socates and I can't do it. I mean, great for those that can, I can't do it. So these Irizas I find are much more comfortable. I don't know if it's because basically open here on the side and you get a lot more room in the front, but they are comfortable. This is the 100 heel height, 100 millimeter, and that is the highest I will go. But anyhow, so yeah, these are the shoes that I picked up. They are on sale right now, and I believe they're on sale. They're on sale at Nordstrom's. They should be on sale at Neiman's, Saks, and the boutiques, of course, depending on what they have. And I'm sorry, I can see that I'm shiny everywhere, but like I said, I just got home from my friend's grandmother's get together, and we were outside a lot of the time, and I'm in Florida, and it was like 95 degrees, so I am dying here, but I wanted to get the video out for you guys. So anyhow, this is the shoe, and I picked these up. These to me are, oh no, he gave me 37.5s. Are you kidding me? All right, well, it's a true unboxing. One shoe is a 37 and one is a 37.5. How about that? I really have nobody to blame but myself. I actually should have tried both shoes on before paying for them and picking them up. But my husband was with me, so I was trying to, like, you know, I was trying to keep it low key, right? Because I was getting all this stuff. So anyhow, yeah. So the left foot is a 37.5 and the right foot is a 37. I don't think that's going to work. So I will have to exchange them. I'm sure that my SA will help me. He is super. I'm not too concerned about it, but I think it's pretty funny. So these are the shoes. They are gorgeous. Here they are. I will leave the information down below. See if you can get your hands on them because they are very, very pretty. I think that they will be beautiful for an evening. I think I would wear this with an evening, for an evening out or a party, a wedding, etc. So this is the first item that I picked up that most unfortunately I have to go exchange. Okay, now that we've had a good laugh because I have two shoes that are not the same size, let's go ahead and unbox what's in here. I haven't looked at this at all, so this will be really, really funny. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with this. But anyway, it came in this humongous bag that you see here. And let me go ahead and get it out. This is just, it's, well, you know, I feel like I'm with you guys right here, so it's a lot of fun. Anyhow, so let's see. I asked him to leave this huge box because I wasn't coming home right away. So let me just kind of see how we can open this. This was just purely, it's so pretty. Oh, so let me just kind of open the box, and this is what it looks like inside. And open up the tissue to reveal a beautiful dust bag. And let me get the box out of the way because it's very, very difficult to move.
And show you anything with this big old box. Okay, hang on. Okay. All right, so
it comes in this huge dust bag, and their dust bags for their purses are very, very thick, heavy material. Reminds me of a very thick, I'm not sure what the material is, but it's kind of like a very thick cotton linen. Anyhow, let's go ahead and get into this. Hopefully we have better luck with the shoes, but okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. All right. To reveal, guess what it is? It is the Cabata, and I'm maybe saying it incorrectly, in the rose gold color. So let me just show you. Let me just show you the bag. This is supposed to be the medium size. Okay. So it's basically, it looks like a Neverfull. I mean, that's what it looks like. And it's rose gold. That's the color. It has these little studs right here that are just, they're ornaments. I mean, it's just ornamental. It doesn't really do anything. And let me just get the inside open. I've actually never really looked at the bag in the inside. I saw it one day that I was passing by the boutique, and I think I saw this one, but I've never looked inside it. I saw that it was on sale, and I said, heck, let me buy it, because you know I use these totes a lot for work. So inside is all red, as you can see, and it also comes with a little pochette like the Neverfull does, and I don't want to compare it consistently, but it, you know, it kind of does have the same type of thing. Let me unclasp this. So here's the pochette. Comes with the classic zipper with the beautiful red. This is like his trademark. So you just unzip that, and the inside is a beautiful red color also. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let me just quickly put on my reading glasses or we will not get anywhere. Okie dokie. What do we have here? Okay, so this pretty much gives you the specifications, the name of the bag, and the item number. And I'm just going to go ahead and show it here. And I will link this down below. As you can see, there's the regular price. There's the sale price. Okay. And then this is the care booklet. Right there. All right, so let's check out the bag. So the interior of the bag is, okay, so the bottom of the bag right here is leather. And the interior right here is not. I am not sure what it is. It kind of feels like a rubber to me, but it's like a rubber inside, which I assume is probably wipeable and probably good. The straps are leather, and like I said, the bottom is leather. Now, the cool thing about this bag, well, it's just very, very pretty, but the other cool thing about this bag, and I actually see that there's something wrong with it, but okay, the cool thing about the bag is the bottom. So it's a rubber bottom so that you can place it wherever you want and you don't have to worry about it. The other thing, I just caught this, quite frankly, and I am going to have to talk to my SA about it. I'm just showing you the corners. There's the corners. But if you look right here, I don't know if you can see, right here, you see that? It looks like if they've chipped, it's chipped the color. Let me see if it's just dirt. Oh boy, I've just had no luck, I guess. I'm not sure what it is. I'm trying to see if it's just glue or something, but I'm not sure. Okay, I don't want to mess with it too much. I'll take a wipey and try and wipe it off. If I can't wipe it off, then we have a problem. So here's the bag. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It doesn't, it says right here on one of the straps, it says made in Italy. And on the other side, it says, it's got his signature, Christian Louboutin, right here on this strap right here. You can see that right there. Okay. And so this is what it is. So I decided to pick it up because it was supposed to be 40%. I need to check the receipt. I haven't even done that. And I thought it would be just another nice work tote. Now, let me just pull out my brand new Neverfull and give you a super quick comparison just on the sizing of the bag and the pouch. This is a quick comparison between the Christian Louboutin Cabata and the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. So if you look at them, let's see. So the Christian Louboutin is a little bit taller. Side by side, let's see here. It's a little bit taller. And then width-wise, I want to say they're almost the same. And but I do think that the Christian Louboutin is a little bit taller. And then let's just look at the pouches while we're at it. We'll do a very quick comparison here. So here are the pouches, and the Louis Vuitton pouch is longer than the Christian Louboutin. However, the Christian Louboutin is a little taller than the LV one. So a little different again. This is a little more squarish and tallish. This one's a little more rectangular. So that's the comparison. Let me put this back. Let me put this baby back. So that's it. This is the bag. I just need to see what I can do because it does seem to have like a little, I don't think it's glue. I think it is the rubber. The bottom is rubber, and it's all the bottom is rubber, and all around the edges it's rubber, and it's supposed to protect the bag. But it looks like, and maybe this was the display bag, I really don't know, but it looks like right here, if you can see that, it looks like if it must have been banged up against something. So I will have to talk to my SA about that. I'm going to actually finish up this video and call him now. But anyhow, if you're interested, Christian Louboutin right now, shoes are on sale, 30%, 40%, selected styles. Contact your SA if you're interested because they will sell out fast. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It did have its bumps along the way, but hey, it's live and it's the reality. So I got shoes with 2 different sizes, and I have a bag which I really, really like, but it's got a nick at the bottom. So what are you gonna do? All right, guys, thanks a lot, and I will see you soon. Bye.